How to add PayPal on Apple Wallet. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add PayPal on your Apple Wallet, firstly, you can launch a PayPal app in your device. Make sure your app is up to date and you are logged in into your account. After that, you can go ahead and select on the account to which you wish to add in your Apple Wallet. Select on your PayPal balance and tap on PayPal card. Locate the option of Manage. There you will see the option of either Add to Apple Wallet or Add to Google Pay. Select on any of the preferred option. Since we want to add in our Apple Wallet, go ahead and click on Apple Wallet. To complete the process, follow the on-screen instruction. After that, you'll be able to add your PayPal on your Apple Wallet. Isn't it simple? If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can always go ahead and check out the help and support of PayPal. If not, make sure that your Apple Wallet is up to date as well as your PayPal. This is the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.